Who is Jonathan Ive? He was born in 1967 and raised in London, England. In 1985, he majored in art and design at Newcastle Polytech. He was recognized by the Apple Company for his designs and he moved to San Francisco in 1992. In 1998, it was his biggest year. He became the senior vice president of Apple and he was well known as an industrial designer. One of Jonathan's famous quotes is, "It's very easy to be different, but very difficult to be better." To show how amazing his works are, he won the Designer Museum's inaugural Designer of the Year in 2002 and won again in 2003. He is known as one of the top 100 innovators in the world. He has introduced a new vision for graphic designers. Here are Jonathan Ive's best designed products. The iPod was first originated in 2001, the iPhone was first launched in 2010, and his most recent design is the iMac 5, which was shown only a month ago. Jonathan Ive's philosophy is to make technology simple for everybody, and it's meant to imply modern style and to enjoy the advanced technology that is produced.
Since he was a child, Jonathan Ive has always had an interest in technology. For his designs, he loved to physically build his products by hand, because his skills in drawing were poor. Jonathan Ive admits that his drawing skills are terrible and that he is a lousy presenter. He focuses on designing instead and loves to design prototypes. Apple experiments and explores materials, processing them, learning about the inherent properties of the material to a finished product. The outer face materials that are used for the iPhone 4 design consist of mostly metal and glass, as well as the MacBook, which is made of aluminum and glass. During the last decade, Jonathan Ive's designs simply have gotten more advanced, smaller, thinner, lighter, and portable. All his designs consist of modern attributes. How the technology interacts with people really depends on how they want to use it. When you hold an iPhone 4, it's designed to feel like a crafted work of art. It's sleek, appealing, smooth, clean, simple, and has beauty to the human eye. It became the iconic phone for business and entertainment. Once the iPhone entered the world, it transformed the simplicity of having technology in the palm of your hands. Ever since Jonathan was a child, he always had an interest in making objects. The fact they had been designed was not obvious or even interesting to him initially at the time. As a kid, he remembers taking apart whatever he could get his hands on. Later, that developed of a more of an interest on how they work, how they're made, their form, and material used. Apple represents the most successful and faithful marriage of business and design. The man responsible, Jonathan Johnny Ive. He quotes, "A computer absolutely can be sexy." Yeah, it can.